Alright guys, let's create an absolutely stunning, buttery smooth navigation bar that feels like it belongs to an Apple product page. It's gonna be clean, modern, and reactive to your scroll. So first, let's see how we can create the frosted glass look. So all we gotta do is change the background color to white and divide it by 50, which changes the opacity to 50%. Apply backdrop blur XL, which creates the blur part. Now let's make it sticky on scrolling. First, import useState and useEffect from React, which are React hooks. Then create a constant isSticky and set its sticky using useState and initially make it false. So later on, we're gonna trigger it to apply the properties we created before. So now here what we just did is created a handle scroll function that tracks how far the user has scrolled. Once the scroll hits 64 pixels, we trigger set isSticky to true, activating the sticky styles. On the bottom you can see when the isSticky is true, then it sticks to the top, the position is fixed now, and the properties are applied. That's how we create a beautiful looking navigation bar that looks like it's built by Apple.